Hello everyone, today we will talk about multi-level inheritance. As we know, in multi-level inheritance we have a base class from which we derive an intermediate base class from which we have a derived class. So we are going to see an example of it today. We are going to construct a base class which will have no data members and only one function called fun1. Similarly, the intermediate base class will have no data members and will have a function called fun2. The derived class will again have no data members, will have only one function called fun3. Now we are going to keep the code as simple as possible, and what we are going to do is we are going to go ahead and we are going to construct a working example of it, right? So my file is called multi-inherit.cpp. I'm going to start off by writing hash include iostream using namespace standard. Let's construct the first base class called base. As we decided in the public section, we are going to have a function called fun1, and the only thing it does is it prints out base. That's it. That's the end of the base class. We will have an ibase, which is nothing but intermediate base class, no data members, a function called fun2, and it just prints out intermediate base class. We will end the discussion here about intermediate base class, and we will start the construction of derived class. Intermediate base class is going to publicly derive from the base class, and derived class is going to publicly derive from intermediate base class. Once again, no data members, only one function called fun3 here, and it prints out derived class. That's the end of the derived class. Let's write down the main function. In the main function, we will create an object called obj of the derived class. Let's call fun1, fun2, and fun3. If you look at this program, we have the fun1 function present in the base class, the fun2 function present in the intermediate class, and the fun3 function present in the derived class. Since I am going level by level from the base into intermediate and from the intermediate into derived, we are calling it as multi-level inheritance. Let's try to compile it. multi-inherit.cpp. Okay, okay, there is a spelling mistake here. Let me just rectify it. Right, fortunately it compiled. Let's try and run it, and we have the output. Guys, this code will be available in GitHub at the link below. Stay safe and